How to stop ads on my phone on Samsung. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can stop ads on my Samsung phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you get so many ads on your Samsung phone from the apps. Now the phone itself doesn't give you the ad, it's the applications that are giving you ad. It could be that you're getting ads on YouTube, it could be that you're getting ads on Facebook, Google Chrome, your browser, or wherever else. To block all of these, you can actually simply install AdGuard, which is one of the free applications that you can use. Now there could also be a paid version, but if you want, you can simply actually install AdGuard and then block all of the intrusive ads. But if you don't want to install a third-party app or software, what you can instead do is you can use a custom DNS server in order to go ahead and block those ads. So you can open up settings, you can go to connections, and here you can see more connection settings. From more connection settings, you can select private DNS here. From automatic, select private DNS hostname, and in the hostname you can just select dns.adguard.com. This will actually use the DNS from AdGuard, which in this case will make sure that you block all of the applications and ads itself. So when you select dns.adguard.com, tap the save option here, make sure to use that DNS server, and now you will not get intrusive ads as long as you use your Wi-Fi. So hope this video helps you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.